what's up? Welcome back to my channel, LazzzySundaze. And if it's the first time you're visiting my channel, welcome. My name is Tiffany. Today, as you can see, we're in a totally different setting because we're in my bathroom. Why we're in the bathroom? Because I'm gonna try out this new Dyson Airwrap. Yes, I splurged. I paid $500 for this. The reason why I got this is because I have this anxiety over curling irons. If you guys have been watching my videos, you'll notice my hair is never really like styled. It's always either straight or in a bun or in the ponytail, like whatever I do, I just don't really do anything to my hair. I'm okay with someone styling my hair, but even in the salon when they're trying to style my hair at the end, with a curling iron, my heart will be like pounding. My friends are like, what are you talking about? You do makeup on YouTube, you do like all this beauty stuff on YouTube and you're scared of curling iron? Yeah, I know, it's really weird. So that's the reason why I splurged on myself trying to get this Airwrap tool. It's supposed to be like using less heat to my hair, so it'll be like safer for me to use. I feel like it's gonna be something like a blow dryer instead kind of heat, instead of those like curling iron kind of heat that's really hot. Like once you touch it, it's like, you know, burn. Yeah, I'm gonna try this out in front of you guys and see if it works. Yeah, so let's get started. Here is the packaging for Dyson's Airwrap, and as you can tell, this is where all the tools are stored and stuff like that. And once you open it, ta-da! Here's this protection, and here are the instructions on how to curl your hair and stuff like that, which I will read after. Here are the tools, and this is the big guy. This is the main thing that you need to have your hair styled. And this one is, so here are different tools that you can attach on. So here's the brush, and here are the two wands that you need. So this one, I guess it goes this way, and this one goes the other way. Yeah, so smart. Anyway, this one is basically like a hair dryer. My sister has a similar one, like a hair dryer for Dyson, and I love it. So definitely gonna use this a lot more often. This one is just also another brush that you can use to style. And yeah, that's it. And let's get started with how I use this. Here's also this instruction I probably should read. So danger, oh my god, this danger thing is huge, it kind of scares me. So here's the bad boy, this is the main guy, and then this is the pre-styling dryer. There are three different settings. This is on and off setting, and this is the airflow setting, like how strong you want the airflow to be. This one is the how hot you want this to be, and then the cold setting is the blue button. So first I'm going to use the pre-styling dryer to dry my hair a little bit because it's still pretty wet. So for you to change it, you just do unlock, take it out, change. How awesome is that? It's easy. Let's try this again. Maybe my hair is just too short right now? I don't know. Okay. And then what do I do? Take it off and curl it? I don't know. Oh my god. I want it to be out more. Yeah, okay. Ooh, okay. Awesome. Oh no, that's not it. Dry it with the cold air, and then that's it. Pretty good in my book. At least it's curled. Oh wow, this one's perfect. Alright! I think you have to use a really small section of the hair first, otherwise it won't stick. So I just did the bottom, I'm going to do the top now. And I think I'm going to start, I don't know, from here? From the back first, just because it's harder for me to do the back, I feel like. It's good enough. My hair is already dry. It's taking too long. Remember how I separated into two sections? I don't even think I need to do that because my hair, I have no hair to begin with. My hair is super short, so I didn't know why I did that, but I did it. So I just curl my hair using this Dyson Airwrap. I know I still need a lot of practice, and this is actually my first time curling my hair for a very long time, curling my own hair. So I still need a lot of practice. I know there are two of these, and these are considered like which way the air is going or which way you want your curls to be. But what I did was, after I curl it, I just used this brush, but I did not put it on this, just to kind of brush it through. Because I really like the wavy kind of hair instead of really curly hair. And after that, I just use this living proof hairspray to set it. This is how it turns out. I really like it just because I never really do this kind of things. And I overall think this Dyson Airwrap, it's worth it. Okay, I do think it's a little too much money, but for a person who's like afraid of using curling irons, like styling wands or anything like that, or using heat in general, I think this is perfect. The heat that they're using is just like blow dryer heat. I don't think this is scary at all for me to use it. So I actually really like it. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and you guys do, please do give me a thumbs up and then subscribe down below to LazzzySundaze. And I do have a style blog called LazzzySundaze.com. I will link it down below in the description box, and also